and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. It's a new year and today I'm here with the unboxing of the CurlBox for January. The box is here. Something else is in it because it is oversized again. So there are two items outside of the actual CurlBox and I'll show them to you. The first one is this Garnier Fructis Curl Stretch Pudding Anti-Shrinkage Cream. Next is the Garnier Fructis Curl Nourish Leave-In Treatment. It's an air dry butter cream. Here's the CurlBox. This is a jam-packed CurlBox this month. There is a Curl Multi-Use Oil. It has vitamin E and coconut oil. There's also a Curl Sculpt Conditioning Cream Gel. It is a extra strong hold number 3, between 1 through 5. We also have this Curl Refresher. It's a reviving water. It says up to 48 hours of moisture and bounce between washes. And then we have a Curl Co-Wash. It's sulfate free. It's for curly to coily hair. And a co-wash is a cleansing conditioner. So it washes your hair without the shampoo suds. And then we also have the Curl Nourish Conditioner. It says glycerin and coconut oil for nourished, frizz-resistant curls. And the shampoo. So this is a very jam-packed CurlBox. Oh, I forgot to show you the booklet. So this is the booklet. And we have a total of 8 products in this CurlBox this month. That's great. I'm not sure of the cost for each item. Maybe they are on the lower end side so they can add more to the box. But I did use, I think it's the Damage Eraser line, and I'll put a picture of it here so you can see it. I have used that way back when I first started wearing my hair curly, and I did like that line. So I'm excited to use these and see how they work out. What did you think of this month's CurlBox? Are you excited to see how these Garnier products work? Have you ever used them or tried them yourself? Let me know down below. Also, let me know what brands you're interested in seeing in CurlBox. We don't really have a say in what they put, but I want to know what brands are out there that I should be looking out for to try. Thank you for joining me in this CurlBox unboxing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.